All right, this word file is a little bit different than one I've run before. It's not the 500 most common words. It's not the QSO phrases. It's none of those. It's a file I call miscellaneous words. It's a lot of adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, just words you hear in conversation. So I'm going to try running this one, and my goal is going to be to use repeat as little as possible. So 60 words a minute, here we go.
Few. As. Hardly. And. Excluding. You. Very. Together. Between. Up. Themselves. Yourself. Sooner. What? So. Her. All. Either. Except. Around.
All right, well, 85%. I think I used repeat 3 or 4 times. That's not too bad. I need to run this file some more. There's a lot of good words in here that I need to, really increase my recognition on. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.